Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hut. Today's topic is banner design. So let's start. First of all, I will design my thumbnail, then go to the new design. So let's make something new. Okay. First of all, I will change this color. Sorry, I think here is a problem. Yeah, yeah, fix it and shift key and I will fix it. Yeah, I think it's good. So I will change this color. I will make it yellow. I'll make it pure yellow. So choose this color and I will change also its color. So sorry, its color. So I'll make it yellow also. You can see. Then I'll change its color. Change its color. Just and I will change this color. Okay, I think it's good. It's good to see. Then I have to edit edit the word. What is banner? Oh, sorry. Yeah, banner design. And so yeah, this is perfect for perfect position. So I am going to save it down. Yeah, I save it and export it as PNG format. I'll check PNG format. So you have to click here, use artboard and all. So export it. Yeah, and replace it with a post. So I'm going to create a new page. So click here, new. Uh, it will take sometimes. Yeah, I think I'm get this. So you have to take 1280 into 420 pixels. So create it. First of all, I have to design something new every time I design design some new things. So you have to try it out, design some new things. So first of all, I will take a pen tool. Sorry, I take a pen tool and mm, then Yeah, I think it's good. So first, so I have to color it. So I think so I'll make it gray. uh, I use gray color, so how it look like, I don't know. I will decrease its opacity. Stroke, I'll decrease stroke, so how it look like, I think it's look pretty good. So I'll fix it here. So lock it down, lock it down, then sorry, first of all, I'll make a logo. Yeah, I think I think this is okay. So make it make it blue color, make it blue color, and I will give a stroke here, give a stroke here too, and I will choose the stroke color, which will be the white. Then I will drag it down here, drag it down here, and make a name, make a name, uh, compa, sorry, company, C-O-M-P, company, okay, I think it's good. Then I have to uh, make a title, the goal, sorry, the goal, what is goal of your, then you have to, sorry, I think it's good. Now you're thinking, what is your thinking? You have to design it. It's good. It's very good to see. You can see here, and this is the banner design, and this class is end here. I will show you more things on the next class. Till then, I love you.